going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be unboxing the brand new limited edition Genshin Impact controller by Sony. Now when I looked at this like 5 months ago, I looked at it and I always wanted it, and then I forgot about it, and then it just launched 3 weeks and then they're back in stock. So I decided to get it, and to my surprise they were on stock. So I added the cart and now it's here. So first we're just gonna look at the box. Front part looks amazing. That's how the controller's gonna look. That's good. We have Paimon right there with the PlayStation logo on top. Pretty good. Contents, okay. The wireless controller and printed materials. There's the back. Heighten your senses. Okay. And then pretty much the same thing. Yep, that's how it looks. And then the PlayStation. Now we're ready to look at the controller. Okay, mine comes with another box. Looks pretty good. Just a white package. And okay, it comes with protective stuff just in case. And then a wrapper. Of course, you got your dual stick wireless controller menu. We don't need that. This is what it looks like in real life, which looks so good. That's what does the left side of the thing look like. Really cool. The middle. The right side looks really cool too. I think it's the same. Nope, a little bit different. With a cute little Genshin with Paimon on it. Sony with the same old things, but I don't know what's the color is. I think it's more bluish. So yeah, guys, that has been the unboxing of the controller. Everything is the same except for the colors and the printed images. If you guys would like to see more unboxing, leave a like and subscribe. Peace.